Hello, in today's video I will show you how to make a moving cat in Scratch 3. First, put a background. I chose the colorful city. Now go to Events and get a when the flag is clicked. After that, go to Motion and put a move 10 steps. As you can see, the cat is moving, but it doesn't look really nice. Now go back to Events and get a when space is pressed. Now go back to Motion and get a go to the cat's coordinates. This will help you to reset the cat. When you want to reset the cat, just press space. Go to Costumes and rename them as Cat 1 and Cat 2. Go to Looks and get a change costume to Cat 2. Go to Control and get a wait until and put 0.8. Lastly, go to Looks and get a change costume to Cat 1. Now if you press the flag, the cat moves and it looks nice.